Today we're going to talk about Isle Royale National Park.
Isle Royale is part of National Park, is part of the continental rift. It was partially formed by igneous rock that was a result of the creation of the North American continent and the rifting that was going on. The rock layers folded, as depicted in the picture, and curved downward, forming Lake Superior, and then curved back up again to form the Keweenaw Peninsula, like this.
Another distinct feature of Isle Royale National Park is the massive volcanic flow. The lava flows contain a variety of minerals, which are prehnite, dialite, calcite, quartz, pumpelite, and copper. Native copper, which is found in the lava flows and the sedimentary layers, is the reason for human presence on the island. And the lava flow event was one of the oldest, largest, and longest on Earth.
Glaciers also played a huge part in the formation of this national park. There were huge glaciers that covered the area of land, and because gravity works, thank goodness, they pushed down on the land, causing the land to kind of cave-ish, as depicted in said picture. And because the crust was thin, it couldn't hold the pressure of the glaciers. And so, therefore, there were deep depressions left in the land. When the glaciers melted, then those deep depressions were kind of like a bowl and held in all the water.
Isle Royale consists of the island known as Isle Royale, as well as 400 smaller islands, and 75% of the total park is actually submerged. So it consists of a lot of water as well. There are two major formations on the island, the main island, the Portage Lake Lava Series and the Copper Harbor Conglomerates. And faulting in the Superior Syncline has produced prominent joints and ravines.
So why is Isle Royale an actual national park? Well, research began in 1958, about 61 years ago, that studied gray wolves and moose. And it was demonstrating the relationship between the predator and prey population. So to keep the research going and to allow for further investigation, they created a national park to protect these animals and to protect the beauty of this island. About every 5 years, history has been different, so it's kind of changing over every 5 years, but they are continuing to observe and to research on this.
Here are our sources. We hope you learned something about Isle Royale National Park today.
Brought to you by Bailey Productions Incorporated.